You are going to love the 2008 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, CD changer, traction control, quad seating, anti-lock braking system, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, floor mats, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.